Students, let's start nitrogen cycle. Here, living organisms require nitrogen for the synthesis of protein and nucleic acids. Atmosphere contains about 78% of nitrogen, but it cannot be utilized by living and non-living organisms. Ammonia amino acids are nitrates. The cyclic process by which nitrogen element is circulated continuously through the living and non-living components of the biosphere is called nitrogen cycle. In nature, atmosphere and water bodies contain nitrogen. Plants cannot absorb nitrogen as such but absorb as ammonia and nitrates. Blue-green algae and certain bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. There are three ways of nitrogen fixation. They are atmospheric nitrogen fixation, biological nitrogen fixation, and industrial nitrogen fixation. Now, atmospheric nitrogen fixation. During lightning, due to high temperature, the atmospheric nitrogen react with oxygen and form nitrous oxide. Nitric oxide and nitrogen peroxide, these compounds dissolve in rainwater to form dilute nitric acid HNO3. When it reacts the earth's surface, they react with alkalis and form nitrates. Plant easily absorb nitrates. Then biological fixation. Certain bacteria and blue-green algae can fix atmospheric nitrogen directly into nitrates. Nitrogen fixing bacteria are of two types. Free living, example Azotobacter and Clostridium. Then symbiotic rhizobium present in the root nodules of certain leguminous plants, Anabaena and nostoc algae. Then industrial nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen combined with hydrogen under high pressure and high temperature to yield ammonia, Haber-Bosch process, which is turn oxidizes to form nitrates or ammonium salts. Steps involved in process of nitrogen cycle are atmospheric nitrogen is fixed and assimilated, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Ammonification. The process of conversion of complex organic compound into ammonia is called ammonification. The dead remain of plant and animals and nitrogenous excretion of ammonia is converted into ammonium salt dioxide by the action of purifying bacteria like Actinomyces present in the soil and fungi. Then nitrification. Conversion of ammonia into nitrates and nitrites is brought about by the nitrifying bacteria. Steps involved are ammonia is oxidized to nitrites by Nitrosomonas bacteria. Then Nitrobacter oxidizes nitrifies to nitrates, nitrites to nitrate, denitrification. Bacteria Pseudomonas and Bacillus convert nitrate to free nitrogen. This process is called denitrification. These bacteria are active only in waterlogged conditions, so rate of denitrification is less than that of nitrification. Then nitrogen enters into the biotic components through plant. Plant absorb nitrates from the soil. Plants synthesize various organic compounds like protein and amino acid which pass to consumer via food chain. Dead plants and animals are decomposed and ammonia is released. Ammonia thus formed is converted to nitrites. Plants absorb part of it and react liberate as nitrogen by denitrifying bacteria. That's all. Thank you.